Hello, this is HK Laser Training Center. If an alarm occurs when changing a table in laser machine, there can be several causes, but many of them can be solved by simply checking the sensor position. Through this video, we will explain how to check table sensor operation and its position. First of all, to check table sensor operation, click Setup in Monitor screen and select Monitoring. Then click Table on top to check operation status of related table sensors. As shown on the screen, it shows the position of each sensor. An active green is showing the state in which the sensor is activated. The work clamp is working and the TC door is down. The table is located in the middle and all up-down cylinders are up. With these lights on, the related light of table sensors will on as following orders when table change started. I'll explain the position so you can check it on the machine. First, the up-down sensor is located in the 4 up-down cylinders. All 4 sensors must on. If not, check by opening the cover on the machine. The distance between the sensor and the limit should be set to about 4 millimeters, and if the sensor position is changed, adjust it to fit. The table middle sensor works when the table is in the middle position. Check table position. If it doesn't work properly, take action to fix it. The table up-down sensor is to find table's position if it's up or down. Check the position and adjust if it's not working properly. TC carry sensor detects that table is not moving to the end but hung in middle and prevents up-down operation to avoid accident. If the sensor is on, check the table position and take action. TC doors up and down sensor is attached to table cylinder that inside of laser machine. When the sensor does not work, check the door and sensor status and take action to fix it. The up-down guide may be used depending on model, and if used, it will act as a guide during the table up-down operation, depending on machine model. If the clamp is pushing table from behind, check the sensor in each cylinder. But if the clamp is pushing table from both sides, it has no any sensor, so use work clamp button to check the operation. Until now, I have explained about table-related sensors. Thank you.